We're hitting the streets to discover what Americans think of Africa.
I love Africa. I just got back from Zambia. Beautiful people. The food was wonderful. Everybody was so friendly.
I'm not sure that I met like an African from Africa, actually.
Africans are a variety. It comes in a variety. I've met Africans who are racist, Africans who are religious, some who are business savvy. I mean, you can't put an African in a box.
They cool. They never just, they always surprise me for sure.
When I think of Africans, I think of people who are very proud of their culture. I think of people who are very into music, that love colors. I think they're very happy, and I think they're very thankful for all these small blessings that other people aren't that grateful for. So I think they're very happy people.
Pretty patient people. When I think of them, they're hardworking. Definitely go for what they want. Especially people that you see more Africans going to school than us black folks. So, yeah, that's pretty cool.
The things that I've seen in television is that they are also really happy, similar to probably Latin American countries. The people that is really happy, like to dance, enjoy music, and like like a good life.
I think Africans as a whole are very hardworking people, and I think that they're all very respectful and nice. I don't have many African friends, but I know that with my personal experience, the Africans, they've always been very kind to me and treated me as one another, and it's a respect you don't see from a lot of people, even from America. It's a strange sort of mutual respect that I get to see.
I love their energy. I love, they're so sweet. I love them. They're just a ray of sunshine.
The view that I have, and even my family, we see Africans as like happy people.
Absolutely love the culture. It's actually, as being Hispanics, it's part of our culture too. I think it's so vast. It's such a huge country. The culture, the food, the music, the colors, the fashion, I absolutely love it. African people in general, I absolutely love that they can speak different languages. There's French, there's different dialects. I find African people all amazing, beautiful. I love, like I said, love the culture. My daughter's Congolese herself, so I love to bring that type of influence into her life. And yeah, I just think it's absolutely beautiful, and I would love to go one day.
They're so creative in their minds. They don't allow, their storms, their struggles get in their way of everything, which is something that truly, kind of inspires me at moments, because it helps me remember, man, I must be grateful for all this, because I'm here, and I'm privileged to be here, and it's very unfortunate that people sometimes they don't end up where they would hope to be.
I think Africans are, I'd say they're interesting. I think they're hardworking. I like their accent. It makes them unique from everyone else. You can always tell an African speaking English. But all the ones I've met that come from Africa, great people, always super kind. And even the ones I see of Africans meeting foreigners in Africa, they're always kind to them. Always, when I see people coming to towns, small towns in Africa, they're always super kind.
And people that are always colorful, bright colors, and people that like to dance, and they're having a party or celebrating stuff, and good foods and stuff. So
I would say they are rich in their culture, traditions, clothing. I think they're really genuine and authentic, even with some of the foods and everything. I really like some of their outfits. I think I do have some African materials and everything. So I do like learning about other cultures, and I applaud those that stick to their beliefs, traditions, and cultures.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be notified when we post.